So we're here today to talk about the new StreetGRIP 4.6 performance drop for the 88 to 98 C1500 trucks. If you guys remember back in the late 80s, early 90s, this is the truck that started the whole sport truck movement. You saw thousands of these things all over the country. Some of them rode good, some of them rode bad, some of them could tow stuff, some of them couldn't. So what we have done with the resurgent popularity of this truck, we've gone in and designed a performance drop kit from scratch using the best parts and components that we could find. The first thing you'll see is these monotube adjustable shocks. 1,000,001 mile warranty, rebound adjustable with the correct valving for this particular truck to make it ride and handle like you think it should. The second thing that you'll see is these really beefy C-notches. Lots of C-notches out there. This one is different because it's much longer. It spreads the load of the cargo or the trailer over a longer section of the frame rail. You will also see that it's got another vertical section here and another lip on it, and that increases the torsional rigidity of this C-notch. You can tow a trailer, you can haul a load with no fear with these C-notches. We have the flip kit brackets that interface with the factory leaf spring pads. We have the new U-bolts and grade 8 nuts and plates that go on here. We have the forged steel spindles that are a direct replacement, and we have the shock relocator kits. If you put these shocks in the stock shock brackets, they're laid over at a very severe angle like this. So these brackets will drop the bottom of the shock to get a better working angle. Again, optimizing the ride quality and performance handling aspects of it. The last thing in the system is the drop springs. We have determined through our testing and evaluation over the years that we like a particular wheel rate for the best ride quality and the best handling. We've gone through and we've precisely calculated the right spring rate for this truck to make it ride and handle even better than it did when it was new. It lowers the truck about 4 inches in the front, about 6 inches in the back or so. As you can see, it's got a beautiful stance, and let's go see how it drives. This is my first real drive in this truck after we've installed the StreetGRIP suspension on it, and I'm really happy with it. The ride quality is excellent. It transitions well. It ignores the small irregularities in the pavement. It ignores the texture of the pavement. For a heavy, top-heavy vehicle that's not been purposely set up to handle, it's very, very confidence-inspiring. It's very, very gathered up and compliant and comfortable. I'm really happy with it. It's the way I would want a brand new truck to ride. It's the way I'd want a brand new car to ride.